NFT Games, a beginner's guide. NFT games are now making waves throughout the internet, not only in the crypto community. It's a pleasant and entertaining way to acquire digital assets and money. In this beginner's guide, I'll be explaining how to get involved with NFT games and how they work. Let's discuss more. What are NFT games? NFT, or non-fungible token games, is the newest addition to the cryptocurrency and gaming industry. Blockchain-based games will have digital assets called NFT or tokens, similar to in-game items offered in online games. These NFT essentially make up the game economy. Holders can use it to purchase digital and physical items, progress further in the game, or sell it to those interested via a marketplace. Can you earn money on cryptocurrency games? The short answer is yes. You can undoubtedly turn in a profit when you play NFT games. Some offer more opportunities than others, and for this reason they're called play-to-earn GameFi titles. In these games, publishers share a percentage of the revenue with the gamers for their engagement. In some cases, it can go as high as 90%. However, this depends on factors such as audience and geography where they're playing from. NFT games are similar to traditional PC and mobile games. However, they have a unique concept of digital ownership or cryptogaming where gamers hold the actual items and characters earned, for example, in a game. Skill-based competitive games are also popular among NFT gaming communities, such as blockchain card games and PvP titles. How to get started on NFT games platforms? There are plenty of NFT game platforms out there, both centralized and decentralized. You can easily enjoy them today on your mobile device or laptop. You'll need a compatible browser, though, in some cases. Let's take a look at some of the top titles in terms of the user base to try out Etherman. Etherman is one of the top NFT games. Players can catch and train their monsters in a Pokemon-style world with decentralized digital assets in an open marketplace. The project has more than 40,000 members on Discord and over 200,000 players on Twitter. It's currently available in China, Japan, and Korea. Chibai Fighters. Chibai Fighters is a blockchain-based fighting game. It's a PvP title where you need to fight other players to collect characters with different stats and abilities in the arena. It has over 15,000 members on Discord and 300+ active players daily. Plus, there are over 40,000 subscribers in their Telegram channel. It's also launching in China and Japan soon after its success in Korea. NFT Arena. NFT Arena is another interesting blockchain-based battle game recently launched with cool characters, such as a blocky pug soldier or anime girl. Players can build their team and fight other players in 3-on-3 battles for NFT digital assets. It also has a ranking system to keep things interesting and competitive. It currently has over 70,000 members on Discord with several hundred messages daily from players looking for teammates or opponents to fight against. CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is a famous blockchain game where you need to breed and raise kitties with unique skills and abilities. It's a casual and lighthearted game where players try to sell them in auctions or open marketplace for ETH. Currently, it has over 50,000 members on Discord, more than 50,000 daily users on Twitter, and 14+ million digital assets created since its launch in December 2017. Blockchain Cuties. Blockchain Cuties is another blockchain-based NFT game that started as an asset trading platform for crypto collectible assets. It's a side project of Beam, the publisher behind Beam Wallet, which supports Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens. Their ecosystem has over 10,000 players on Discord and 50,000 active users on Twitter. Meanwhile, they're rapidly growing with over 200,000 followers on Instagram and over 1 million digital assets created so far. Blockchain Cuties is also available in China and Japan, where it has the biggest user base next to the US. What are the benefits of blockchain games? As you can see, most blockchain games are free to play. However, they're offering incentives in the form of instant rewards or real money such as ETH or tokens that can be traded for fiat on exchanges. NFT games also give more opportunities and incentives than traditional online games because every digital asset counts since it depends on decentralized open networks. You could also use peer-to-peer trading in some cases to exchange your collectible items for other assets or digital currencies. For example, suppose you're playing Etherman. In that case, you might want to trade your collected monster with another player that has a better version of it or is looking for a certain type of monster. How to play blockchain games? Currently, most blockchain games are played on smartphones or laptops. However, you can also use a compatible web browser for PC to play them if there's no app available yet. In general, it's easy to get started with blockchain games. You need to install a browser plugin or wallet app to interact with the game most of the time. For instance, you can use MetaMask on your Chrome browser for Ethereum-based games such as CryptoKitties. However, there are no official blockchain game stores yet, since most of them are either built on top of other blockchain platforms or launched by small teams that don't have the resources to manage a store. How to build your own blockchain game. If you want to develop a blockchain-based NFT game, you can either use existing blockchains such as EOS or Tron and create your tools and wallets, or launch it on top of any popular blockchain platform. We recommend you to use EOS if you want to speed up development with its scalable technology and more efficient system. However, it requires some coding skills, which might make things complicated for less experienced developers. Moreover, there are some limitations depending on the blockchain you use, e.g., the maximum number of players or digital assets. Another option is to use Tron or build your own on top of Ethereum if you have the necessary programming skills. You could also use the Unity game engine to create your own game using the blockchain instead of coding it from scratch. Let's sum up. As you can see, blockchain games are getting more popular each day thanks to their free incentives and decentralized nature. The market is still relatively small but growing rapidly, with 10+ new titles released monthly since 2017. At this point, most of them are casual or side projects for indie developers that don't have the resources to manage a store yet. However, there are no real problems when it comes to playing these games, since all you need is an internet connection and a compatible browser or wallet app if they're not available on mobile devices yet. Furthermore, if you're looking for a new blockchain project to launch, you can consider building your own NFT game with any popular blockchain platform that fits your needs. You could also use an existing game engine such as Unity or code it from scratch using blockchains like Ethereum if you have the necessary programming skills. What are the benefits of blockchain games? As you can see, most blockchain games are free to play. However, some titles have a premium version that you can buy to get new features or items. For instance, CryptoKitties is a popular blockchain game where players acquire collectible digital cats and breed them with other players in exchange for ethers. In contrast, if you pay a certain amount of money for the premium version, you can get new features or breeds of cats. This model is similar to regular video games where you buy the premium version for better gear, more quests, etc. At the same time, blockchain games use incentives to attract new players, including giveaways and freebies during special events. For instance, CryptoKitties awarded prizes during the E3 event in 2018. Moreover, most blockchain games are available on mobile devices and desktop computers since modern browsers support this technology. However, there are no official blockchain games platforms yet. Most of the time, you need to install a browser plugin such as MetaMask to play them. What is the future of blockchain games? At this point, the blockchain game market is still small compared to traditional video games or online gambling. In addition, most of them are casual or side projects from indie developers. However, this technology has a growing interest due to its unique features, including free incentives and a decentralized economy. As the number of players increases, we should start seeing more polished titles published by well-known game studios looking to expand their audience. At the same time, game platforms like Tron Arcade could help with discoverability and monetization by providing a centralized platform where you can find new games. So far, there is no clear winner in terms of the best blockchain game engine, but it seems that Ethereum and Tron are still leading this market given their user base and transaction volume, respectively. Finally, don't forget to share this video if you liked it, and let us know what you think about blockchain games, or suggest some new titles in the comments below. You might also be interested in checking our next recommended video about NFT games. Many thanks for watching, and see you soon.